आयुक्तालय कॉलेज शिक्षा एवं सम्राट पृथ्वीराज चौहान राजकीय महाविद्यालय अजमेर के संयुक्त तत्वावधान में प्राणीशास्त्र विभाग द्वारा आयोजित ज्ञान गंगा प्रोग्राम में आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ लेपिडोप्टेरा सेशन में आपका स्वागत है। मैं डॉक्टर रश्मि शर्मा, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ज़ूलॉजी एसपीसी जीसीए अजमेर, आज आपको आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ लेपिडोप्टेरा के बारे में बताऊंगी। This is the image of Peregrine butterfly. Classification of Lepidoptera. Phylum Arthropoda. Jointed legs. Class Insecta. Order Lepidoptera. Suborders of Lepidoptera are Agloseta. These are primitive moths feeding on Agathiphaga. Agathiphaga were plants present during Jurassic period, and they are found today also north of Australia. Closeta, moths and butterflies have coilable proboscis. Heterobathymina, primitive day-flying moths. Zeugloptera, mandibulate archaic moths with little wings. This is the picture of Peregrine butterfly.
So viewers, I am Dr. Preeti Mathur, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC Government College Ajmer. आज आपको ज्ञान गंगा प्रोग्राम के और डायरेक्टरेट के संयुक्त तत्वाधान से हम आपको ये प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाना चाह रहे हैं, जिसमें आर्थ्रोपोडास हमने आसपास चारों तरफ बहुत देखे हैं। आर्थ्रोपोड्स यानी कि इंसेक्ट्स, और जिनके की जॉइंटेड अपेंडेजेस होते हैं, और इन एनिमल्स के जनरल कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं। आई एम डॉक्टर प्रीति माथुर, अगेन रिपीटिंग माई नेम एंड टेलिंग यू अबाउट द जनरल कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ आर्थ्रोपोडा। आर्थ्रोपोडा का मतलब होता है जॉइंटेड लेग्स, और वॉन सीपोल्ड 1845 ने सबसे सर्वप्रथम इसकी व्याख्या की थी। ये एनिमल्स ट्रिप्लोप्लास्टिक, बायलैटरली सिमेट्रिकल, सीलोमिक कैविटी, प्री बॉडी सेगमेंटेड होते हैं। इनका ऑर्गन सिस्टम, ग्रेड ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है, इनमें क्यूटिकल प्रेजेंट होती है, लेग्स जो हैं वो जॉइंटेड होते हैं। ये सबसे खास कैरेक्टर होता है इन जानवरों का। इनके अच्छे एग्जाम्पल्स जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, जैसे स्कॉर्पियंस, बिच्छू, ये हमने देखे हुए हैं काफी, और बहुत सारे एनिमल्स जैसे मकड़ी, ये सब आर्थ्रोपोडा में आते हैं। इनकी बॉडी जो है वो हेड, थॉरैक्स और एब्डोमेन में डिवाइडेड रहती है। इनके सीलोम में हीमोसील नामक फ्लूइड जो है वो भरा रहता है। मसल्स जो है वो स्ट्रेटेड प्रकार की पाई जाती हैं, और कंप्लीट डाइजेस्ट सिस्टम पाया जाता है इनकी बॉडी में। माउथ पार्ट जो है वो मॉडिफाइड होते हैं फॉर डिफरेंट फंक्शंस, और इनका ओपन टाइप का सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम होता है। डॉर्सल हार्ट पाया जाता है इनकी बॉडी में। ब्लड स्पेसेस पाई जाती हैं, और ट्रू सीलोम उपस्थित होता है। रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स पाए जाते हैं, जिनमें कि मेल और फीमेल जो है वो अलग अलग होते हैं, और एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन्स भी अलग तरह से इनमें, इनकी बॉडी में पाए जाते हैं। इनकी बॉडी में सीलियाज नहीं पाए जाते, एब्सेंट होते हैं। रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, बॉडी की सरफेस से जो है वो रेस्पिरेटरी प्रोसेस होता है, और जो बॉडी की सरफेस से हो जाता है रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, और गिल्स, ट्रेकिया और बुक लंग्स इनकी बॉडी में पाए जाते हैं।
Excretion with the help of green glands, coxal glands, Malpighian tubules. Nervous system, double ventral nerve cord is present. Brain is present in anterior region. Sense organs, simple eyes are present. Touch receptors are present, and chemoreceptors are present. Male and female are separate. Paired gonads are present. Sexual dimorphism. Fertilization is internal. Oviparous or viviparous. Oviparous means egg laying, and viviparous means giving birth to young ones. Development is direct or indirect. Indirect development means larval stages are present, and direct development means development is direct without larval stages. Animals present in all habitats, terrestrial, aquatic or sea. Arthropoda are divided into subphylum Trilobitomorpha. These are all extinct animals. Caliceratta, Medostoma, Arachnida and Pycnogonida. Spiders are the best example of this group. Mandibulata, Crustacea, Diplopoda, Millipede is the example of this group. Chilopoda, Centipede is the example of chilopods. Poropoda, Poropus, Symphyla, Symphylela, and Insecta. Onychophora peripatus is the example of Onychophora, which is connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Now comes Insecta. Body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Head 6 segments, thorax 3 segments, abdomen has 11 segments. Head, one pair of antennae are present, one pair of mandibles are present, one pair of maxilla present. Mouth parts are modified for different type of functions. Biting and chewing mouth parts are present in Orthoptera. Chewing and lapping mouth parts are present in Hymenoptera. Bees and wasp. Piercing and sucking type of mouth parts are present in Hemiptera. Bugs are the example. Sponging type of mouth parts are present in housefly. Siphoning type of mouth parts are present in Lepidoptera, which we are discussing just now. Thorax has 3 pairs of legs. These are Hexapoda, no appendage on abdomen, no pigment in blood except chironomous larva. Trachea are present for respiration, excretion with the help of Malpighian glands. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Development is direct or indirect. There are 30 orders of insects. Very important. Insects have 30 orders. Insecta divided into Atericota and Terricota. Atericota wings are absent and 4 orders are there. Archaeognatha, Thysanura and Monura are examples. Terracotta, 26 orders are there. Wings are present in these animals. Terracotta is divided into Exoterracotta and Endoterracotta. Exoterracotta wings developed externally and Endoterracotta wings developed internally. 16 orders come in Exoterracotta and 9 in Endoterracotta. Orthoptera, grasshopper, locust, gryllus, mantis, phyllium and pediplaneta. Isoptera, termites are the example and these are exoterrigotes. Plecoptera, stoneflies are the example and these are also exoterrigotes. Ambioptera, Socoptera, Anoplura, Melophaga, bird lice, exoterrigotes. Thysanoptera, thrips, these are also exoterrigotes. Ephemeroptera, mayflies are the example. Odonata, damselflies and dragonflies are the example. Hemiptera, Velostoma, Cymax, aphid and cicada are examples. Dermaptera, Forficula and earwig. Neuroptera, Dobson fly, antlion and lacewigs. Macroptera, scorpion flies. Trichoptera, caddis flies. Hymenoptera, honeybees, wasp and ant. Diptera, flies and mosquitoes. And Lepidoptera, butterflies and moths. Strepsiptera, twisted wing parasites. Coleoptera, beetles. Siphonoptera, fleas, pulex and xenopsilla. Tardigrada, water bear and Echinuscus. Onychophora, peripatus is the example which is connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Butterflies belong to phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera. Lepidoptera have 2 pairs of membranous wings, scales, cross veins, mandibles, vestigial, suctorial proboscis formed by maxillae, atrophied, larvae cruciform, Perineustic, 8 pairs of limbs are present. Pupae oblate in cocoon or in earthen cell. Now comes differences between butterflies and moths. Antennae of butterfly are rounded and clubbed, and moth have thin and feathery antennae. Body. Butterfly thin and smooth body, moth thick and fuzzy body. These are active during day, moth are active during night. Butterflies are active during day and moths are active during night. Color. Butterflies are colorful and moths are of dull color. Pupa. Butterfly pupa is chrysalis and moth pupa is cocoon. Wings. Butterfly vertical when resting. बटरफ्लाई के विंग्स वर्टिकल होते हैं जब वो रेस्ट करती है तो, और मॉथ विंग्स आर फ्लैट व्हेन रेस्टिंग. मॉथ के विंग्स फ्लैट होते हैं जब वो रेस्ट करता है. These are the important differences between butterflies and moths. We can identify on the basis of these differences this is butterfly or moth. Lepidoptera is an order of insects consist of butterflies and moths. 1,80,000 species of Lepidoptera are there. 126 families and 46 superfamilies are known. Lepido plus ptera means scale plus wings. Scales are present on wings. Scales cryptic to bright and showy. Compound. Eyes are large, ocelli absent. Antennae are long and clubbed, slender. Mouth parts sucking, elongated proboscis is present. Long coiled feeding tube is present. Prothorax is small, mesothorax large, metathorax is smaller. Noctuidae is very dominant family. Tympanic organ in metathoracic cavity is present. These consist of 10% of species of all living beings. Holometabolous, these are holometabolous insects. Hymenoptera, Diptera, Coleoptera are the most species orders. Legs are present for walking and perching. Forelegs are reduced in some, hind legs reduced in Hepalids. Legs may be vestigial in Cycadidae, bagworm moths. Color are due to scale structure. Common families of butterflies are Danidae, these are milkweed butterflies. Hesperidae are skippers. Nymphalidae are brush-footed butterflies. Papilionidae are swallow-tail butterflies, and Pierridae white yellows and sulfurs. These are most common butterflies of Rajasthan. Common families of moths are Arctidae, tiger moths, hindwing, SC plus R1, anastomosing with cell or beyond, middle, Noctuidae underwing moths, Saturnidae silk moths, Sphingidae are large moths, hawk moths also known as hawk moths, Tinidae are cloth moths, Gelachidae are small twirler moths, Sasidae are clear wing moths, SC plus R1 in hind wing absent, Totricidae four wings, R3 plus R4 are separate. These are veins of four wings and hind wings. This is the image of Hesperidae, skipper butterfly. Image of Danidae, Danus chrysippus butterfly. These are members of Nymphalidae, Junonia butterflies. These are members of Papilionidae, Papiliodemoleus, swallow-tail butterflies. Families of Lepidoptera, 127 families and 1 lakh species are known. 19 families of moths are known. Cycadidae are medium bagworm, females are wingless. Noctuidae, cutworm, armyworm, also known as owlet moths, nodular sclerite, epaulette, keeps parasite out of tympanum cavity. Antennae with shaft not dilated. Geometridae, eastern hemlock looper. These are also known as eastern hemlock loopers or balsam fir. Means these are present on these plants. Four wings R4 plus R5 connected. R2 plus R3 stalked with M1. These are wing veins. We will see diagram on next page. Hippalidae, swift or ghost moths, short antennae, lack functional proboscis, mouth parts are vestigial. Micropterigidae, mandibulate archaic moths, little wings, mouth parts well developed, wing coupling zygophrenic type. This is the diagram of wings of butterfly. Veins of wings 3A, 1A plus 2A, CU2, CU1, M3, M2, M1, RS, SC plus R1, A1, A2, CU2, CU1, M3, M2, M1, R5, R4, R3, R2, R1 and SC butterflies are classified on the basis of these. Napiculidae, small moths, pygmy moths also known as pygmy moths. These are found in Europe. European pygmy sorrel moths. They are also known as European pygmy sorrel moths. Tacharidae, trumpet leaf minor moths. Heliosalidae are primitive small day flying moths. Adelidae are long-horned moths. Metallic pattern is present in these moths. They are diurnal. Prodoxidae are small. These are pests, also known as shoot borers, yucca moths. Gallicoidae, case bearers, twirlers or curved horn moth. Coreutidae are metal mark moths. Crambidae are grass moths. Pyralidae are snout moths, also known as pyralid moths. Cecidae are clear wing moths. SC plus R1 is absent. Hesperidae are four wing with all veins present. Antennae curved hooked. Papilionidae are also known as swallowtails. Hind wings, one anal vein is present. Pieridae is the most dominant family of Rajasthan. Hind wings are present with two anal veins. Lysinidae are goose amber winged butterflies. Rheodinidae, metal mark butterflies. These are not present in Rajasthan. Nymphalidae, anterior legs of female are useless for walking. Uranidae, frenulum is absent. Tympanum in male. Sides of tergite 2. Geometridae are also known as loopers or hemlock loopers. Forewing are 4 plus R5 connected with R2 and R3. Hind wings SC plus R1 furculate at extreme base. Drepanidae, medium broad wing moths, proboscis absent. Larvae pupate on ground. Coccidae, carpenter worm moths or goat moths. These are pests. Butterworms. Ctenidae are fungus moths, small, and these are present in Palearctic region. Pterophoridae are plume moths. They are slender moths. Four wings, 2 to 4 plumes are present. Hind wings, 3 plumes are present. Spines are also present, and scale on ventral surface are also present. Eleucididae, many plumed moths. Modified wings are present. 6 rigid spines are present. Sphingidae. Antennae are clubbed. Apex pointed hooked. Frenulum strong. Sphinx moth, hawk moth, horn worms, large moths. Lasiocampidae are eggers, snout moths or leopard moths. Saturnidae, TB without spur, one anal vein is present. These are largest moths. Emperor moth, royal moth, giant silk moth are the examples. Copromorphidae, these are tropical fruit worm moths. Carpocinidae are fruit worm moths. Labial palps are present. Males have patches. Thyrididae, picture winged. MCU2 absent. SC plus R1 not fused with RS. Tympanal is absent. The Calstinidae are bristle-legged moths, spine on hind leg. Pterophoridae are tiny plume moth. Glyphypterigidae are small sedge moths. Pleutellidae, very important, diamond back moth. These are pests of cabbage and cauliflower. Pleutella xylostella is the example. Ponomantidae are snout moths. These are very important pests in agriculture. Bedelidae are small snout moths, inhabit soil and intertidal rock. Now we will discuss 6 important families of butterflies very abundant in India and Rajasthan. Number 1, Papilionidae, also known as swallowtails, hind wing with one anal vein, largest butterfly, bird wing butterfly, also known as bird wing butterfly. Ornithoptera. Caterpillar have repugnatorial organ, osmeterium, which is defensive in function, forked hind wings. Nymphalidae, brush or four-footed, stand on four legs. Other two are curled up, also known as monarch, emperor, admiral, tortoise shell or fritillaries. Pieridae. This is also very important family. 76 genera are known. 1100 species are known, present in tropical Africa, tropical Asia, also known as whites, yellows and sulfurs, radial vein on forewing 3-4 branches, forelegs well developed, tarsal and claws bifid. Lycaenidae are also known as gooseberry wing butterflies, small, bright, false head is present, eye spots are present, small tails resembling antennae are present. Rheonidae, metal marks. Metal spots are present on wings, black, orange and blue. These are present in neotropic regions, South America, temperate zone, not present in Rajasthan. Hesperidae are also known as skippers. Small, clubbed antennae are present, hook backward. Hydaelidae, these are moth butterflies. Why they are known as moth butterflies? Because butterflies evolved from these moths. Small brown geometrid moths, antennae are not clubbed, long, slim abdomen is present. Once again we will discuss Pieridae because it is most abundant and dominant butterfly family of Ajmer, Rajasthan and India. These are found in all geographical regions and comprise 76 genera and 2000 species. Wing span 1.260 to 1.850 inches. Most are from tropical Africa to tropical Asia. Some are also present in North America. Most pierid butterflies are light yellow, white or light green in color. Some have black colored spots on them. Males have spots and female do not have a spot. Pigments are made from waste products of the body. The name given by William John Swenson in 1820. Butterflies are the medium sized and show sexual dimorphism. These Pieridae butterflies are not very small and not very large. Maximum butterflies are light yellow or white in color and smell like weak perfume. This image is showing Pieridae butterfly. Thank you.